So we are a people-first platform with our Score Master, Score Builder, and Score Tracker. What makes us different from everybody else is we are interactive with our action buttons, letting people deal with whatever the issue is with their credit and money or identity. We've also gamified the credit score so that people can easily, with one finger, understand how their credit score moves, and they can understand what payments mean and what spending means against their credit score so they can make their life better.
So we like to think that as you see your credit score grow over time, you build upon that encouragement and that goodwill and that positive progress, and it gives you motivation to continue to do the good things with your credit.
The reason why you're going to want to use our platform is because we can get you started very fast, in one day if you need to.
Right away, we can give you a link that you can send out to your customers and have them sign up, and you start earning revenue.
With Smart Credit, we have the highest payouts, so we like to talk about, with Smart Credit, you're going to have a better product, you're going to have higher earnings, and you're going to have a more integrated product.
And we have the interaction, we have the gamified that will keep your customers involved.
You know, our CEO, David, likes to use the term gamification. It allows you to gamify your credit score and actually interact with it.
It will be an experience unlike any other service that they can see. They're going to love it. They'll stay longer, and they'll stay longer with your product too.
We have built our platform business to business first. So we have designed it with the ability to co-brand our platform, to white label our platform.
So if you want a co-brand, we can get you live in one day with your co-brand, with your brand, what information you want to express to the consumer, and that co-brand is throughout the whole experience that the consumer has.
But really the more important part when it comes to integration is the other features that our co-brands have for you in the back end. You can do things like update payment cards if their credit card number is no longer working. You can do things like issue refunds. So that sort of integration is really, really important. You can do things like run reporting. You can go in and find out which customers of mine credit cards are failing. That sort of integration is really an important thing that you're not going to get when you're using other products that are out there.
And that's kind of one of our selling points as far as trying to get our partners to on board with us, is because they do have a lot of flexibility in setting up different plans, incorporating it into their business models.
We are relationships first. We actually do have the gold standard, the white glove assistance. We are here to help you not only get started, but to help fit the best program for you and your business and your customers, because everybody is unique. We're able to tailor pricing, we're able to tailor features very quickly and ideally for your business. And that's what we do best. When you need us, we're there. And that also separates us from everybody else.